7 things I wish I'd known when I was 20 that would have speeded up my entrepreneurial career. This is what this video is about. I grew up in a simple and normal family on the northeast coast of Italy, 100 kilometers from Venice. My mom is a housewife and an incredible dressmaker. Instead, my dad was a postman, so they didn't have any entrepreneurial experience to teach me how to become a successful entrepreneur. But I decided to learn how to start a business. And after 14 years of this amazing journey, I learned lots of things because I failed many times. The next 7 aspects I will share with you would have speeded up the process of becoming a successful entrepreneur and reduced failures and mistakes. I'm sure they can help you achieve the success you deserve, so enjoy this video. My name is Cecco, and I help you sell your expertise or someone else's knowledge to help people solve their problems. On YouTube, I share my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you like this content, subscribe to this channel, turn the notification on and tap on the like button to help other people watch my videos. Thank you. Aspect number 1. Don't focus on your salary, but on your education. Especially if you are in your 20s, please focus your efforts on learning. Business is a game of information. Who knows what is working right now and how to execute an idea always wins. Obviously, information without execution is worthless, and your main priority is finding a company that helps you understand and learn how to do that job correctly. So, don't focus too much on your salary. Instead, focus on growing. Then, money will come to you. If you find a great company to work with, be even available to work for free with the main intent to give and learn. I did it multiple times in my life, and what I got in terms of knowledge and experience is priceless. Indeed, thanks to those experiences, I started my own company 12 years ago. Be willing to do what others don't. This is the real secret to getting what you want in life and business too. Aspect number 2. Read 1 book a month, so continue learning on your own. I know it is not so easy to read 1 book per month, but you can even start with 6 books per year. The question is, what type of books should you read? Focus your attention on these 3 categories. Number 1. Marketing and sales. To be successful, every company in the world must have a marketing and sales department. Especially today in 2022, every entrepreneur must learn how to market their company so they can succeed. Number 2. Autobiographies of successful entrepreneurs. Thanks to these types of books, you can get access to the character's way of thinking and you can learn from their mistakes and failures. Be wise to learn from others in order to avoid the same mistakes. And number 3, personal development. I firmly believe that a business grows and prospers only if the entrepreneur grows too. And I firmly believe that your mindset, your way of thinking about yourself, your self-confidence are crucial to get what you want. If you don't work on yourself first, I can assure you, you will not achieve great results. Aspect number 3. Don't be afraid to be judged by others. I had several problems. I was extremely fragile, and every single comment or suggestion or insult I received from others, I took it personally. I gave others too much power to control my thoughts, decisions, and actions. I was a completely different person from the one I'm right now, and it took me years to develop this character and to grow. Now, listen to me very carefully. You have only one fucking life. And what others think of you is not your business. The most important thing is what you think of yourself, and if it's the only aspect that counts in your life to achieve any result you want, do not forget it. In addition, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to master your thoughts, your beliefs, and you will do whatever it takes to confirm what to believe in and or what you don't believe in. Indeed, you are not for everyone. You will assume a specific position in order to guide and persuade your potential clients and partners to do business with you. And that's it. Aspect number 4. Be available to change the environment. The environment has an important weight in your growth. If you are in the wrong environment and maybe with the wrong people, you will not achieve anything. Let me make a personal example. I grew up in a small town of only 3,000 people. Zero possibilities to grow, to do great things. Even if I like respecting other people's points of view, mindset and way of thinking of these people, it is still very poor. You cannot accomplish great things in life if you are surrounded by poor minds. But fortunately, I've always been a curious person and I was willing to move, to change the environment in order to grow. Indeed, thanks to what I read and learned, especially from the internet, I opened my mind to new possibilities that I didn't know existed. Since 2011, I have been living in Malta and I have visited lots of countries to hang out with the right people and to change my way of thinking. Indeed, traveling opens your mind to new possibilities. Aspect number 5. Hang out with people you love and respect. This aspect might have nothing to do with business, but it is extremely important for your well-being. Most successful people are lonely and they decide to invest their time with people they respect and from whom they receive respect too. Personally, I decided to quit different friendships because of a lack of respect. And honestly, I might disagree with you based on your thoughts regarding different aspects of life, but I absolutely respect other people's point of view. When I was very young, between ages 16 and 22, I went out with people that I don't consider friends even today. They made fun of me, but since I was profoundly insecure of myself, I preferred going out with them because I considered them the cool guys, even if I didn't like them. What a stupid decision. So, hang out with people you love and where there is respect from both sides. Aspect number 6. Embrace failure. As I said multiple times in my YouTube videos, failing means growing. When you fail in doing something, you are learning something new. And without failure, there is no success. Fail often and fail fast should become your mantra. And I perfectly know that in our culture, especially European culture, we have been told that failure is bad. The reality is the opposite. And honestly, if an entrepreneur told me they had failed multiple times, I would be more than happy to pay close attention to their words. And do you know why? Because they gained an experience that others don't. Period. Thomas Edison was one of the most successful innovators in American history, inventing the incandescent light bulb. In response to a question about his missteps, Edison once said, "I have not failed 10,000 times. I have successfully found 10,000 ways that will not work." This is the correct approach I want you to develop. Aspect number 7. Believe in yourself. This is the most important advice I would have received when I was in my 20s. Always believe in yourself, because you can become what you want, who you want, and the limits are only dictated by yourself. You are 100% in control of your life. At the same time, there will be moments of discouragement. You can have doubts about yourself, about what you are doing, and so on. And believe me, it's pretty normal. And honestly, I have these terrible thoughts too, even if I know that the mind lies. No matter the obstacles you encounter in your life, please never ever stop believing in yourself. That's it. Now, what's next? The secret to getting what you want in life is highly correlated with mastering the right habits to achieve your desired results. Habit means doing the same thing repeatedly, daily and consistently till it will be part of your life. Indeed, your habits define your future. I highly recommend watching this video. 7 successful people's daily habits to achieve anything you want. Master these habits and you will be unstoppable. So, watch this video now.